In this quick video, let me show you how to create an image to realistic AI animation and Pika AI. First, open your browser on your mobile device and make sure you have stable internet connection because it will take a while to generate an AI video. Click the search bar and search for Pika AI. Go to Pika AI official website, click on it. Here, just click the try Pika located at the top left. After that, you must log in your account. After logging in, you can now use Pika AI. Just go to Pika Effects located at the top beside library. After that, just choose Pika Effects and then whatever you want, just click on it. Try it. Now just upload your image you want to generate. After choosing an image, click the generate button at the bottom. Wait for it to finish. It may take some time, so you need a stable internet connection for this. After loading, you can now preview your generated AI video. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.